Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to make money on TikTok in the UK so you can turn your content into real income, whether you're just starting out or already posting daily. First off, join the TikTok Creativity Program. This is TikTok's official way to earn money by creating videos. You'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days to qualify. Next, monetize your videos through live GIFs. Go live regularly, interact with your audience, and viewers can send you virtual gifts that convert into real cash. Here's a pro tip. Apply for the TikTok Creator Fund if available. Some UK creators are already getting direct payments based on views and engagement. Don't forget, partner with brands for paid sponsorships. Once you've built a solid following, reach out to companies or join platforms like Takumi or Influencer to land paid TikTok deals. Also, use TikTok to promote your own business, affiliate links, or digital products. Whether it's coaching, printables, or drop shipping, TikTok is a powerful sales tool. So should you feel stuck making money on TikTok from the UK? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, stay consistent, and start earning while doing what you love. Let me know in the comments if you're a UK creator and how you're making money on TikTok. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.